Starting with the try these, which is given in page 151. You can see you have to compare and you have to write in ascending and descending order, children. Ascending and descending order for these two given questions, A and B. So you can see, first and foremost, you remember yesterday we studied comparing of fractions. First the denominators were same, second the numerators were same, second time. So here the numerators are same. So when the numerators are same, we compare the denominators, but here it is ulta. Smaller denominator is big, okay, that is the fraction with the smaller denominator is big, and the fraction with the bigger denominator is small, that is bigger becomes small and small becomes bigger, okay. So starting with first one, ascending order, at the side there is place, so you are going to write there only. So here who will be the smallest? The biggest denominator. Who is that? 1 by 50. After 1 by 50, 1 by 23. After 1 by 23, 1 by 12. After 1 by 12, 1 by 9. After 1 by 9, 1 by 7. After 1 by 7, 1 by 5. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Then going to descending, just opposite. That is 1 by 5, 1 by 7, 1 by 9, 1 by 12, 1 by 23, 1 by 50. Done. Okay. Then we go to second one. Again, numerators are same, and the numerators are same. We see the denominators, we compare the denominator, and the fraction with the small denominator is considered bigger, and the fraction with bigger denominator is considered smaller. So here we check who's the biggest, here will be the smallest now. Who's the biggest? 17. So 17 अब छोटा कहलाएगा. So 3 by 17, then 3 by 13, then 3 by 11, then 3 by 7, then 3 by 5, then 3 by 4, then 3 by 2. Please let me count. Yes, correct. And descending will be just opposite. 3 by 2 will come first, just like A. Okay. Second one, if you want to see, if you want to do, you can write, otherwise you can leave it also. 3 more such examples have to be given. So now we will start with exercise 7.4. Question number 1, which we are doing it in book. Question number 1 we do in book. You can see there are some diagrams in the question number 1. Okay, so you have to write the fraction of the shaded part. So just above the diagram, like for example, here's the diagram. Here you can write the fraction. So the first one is 3 by 8. Second one 6 by 8. Third one 4 by 8. Fifth one 1 by 8. So you have to arrange them in ascending and descending order, putting the correct sign between the fractions. So here you can see the numerators are not same, the denominators are same. Okay, here the numerators were same, here the denominators are same. So when the denominators are same, we compare the numerators, where the bigger remains bigger, small remains small. Okay, so we are doing the ascending order. At the side there is place, so there only you can write. First one, the smallest is 1 by 8, then 3 by 8, then 4 by 8, 6 by 8. Then comes descending, 6 by 8, 4 by 8, 3 by 8, 1 by 8. Similarly is the B1. Again there are diagrams. You can just above or below the diagram you can write the numbers 8 by 9, denominators are same. So when the denominators are same, bigger is considered bigger, smaller is considered smaller. So we do the ascending order starting with the smallest. Who's the smallest? 3. So it is 3 by 9, 4 by 9, 6 by 9, 8 by 9. Descending, just opposite. 8 by 9 the greatest, 6 by 9, 4 by 9, 3 by 9. So this completes A and B. Then there is C part which we have to do in, we can do in book itself. Okay. C part also we can do in the book. It is you have to draw the number line and mark these points. Show these points on the number line. So on the top of the number line there is place. Children, we are going to write it over the mark over there only. So we start with 0, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6, 6 by 6 which is actually 1, 7 by 6, 8 by 6. Okay, and so on. Now, show these points. So whichever points are there, we just circle them. The first one is 2 by 6, then 4 by 6, then 8 by 6, then 6 by 6, that is this one. Then you have to put the appropriate sign in between these fractions. So let me write these fractions. 5 by 6 and 2 by 6, 3 by 6 and 0, 1 by 6 and 6 by 6, 8 by 6 and 5 by 6. Very simple. Either you see the number line or you can see the denominators are same. So when the denominators are same, we compare the numerators. So 5 by 6 and 2 by 6. This is 5 by 6, this is 2 by 6. The number on the right side is considered greater. So obviously 5 by 6 is greater. Also if you see denominators are same. So the numerator, we compare the numerator, the bigger is considered bigger. So 5 is bigger, so 5 by 6 is bigger. Then 3 by 6 and 0. This is 0, this is 3 by 6. 3 by 6 is towards the right. So obviously it is greater. So what to do? 3 by 6 is greater. Then 1 by 6 and 6 by 6. 1 by 6 is here, 6 by 6 is here, 6 by 6 is greater. Then 8 by 6 and 5 by 6. 8 by 6 is on the right. So 8 by 6 is greater. So this completes question number 1. Question number 2 we are going to start tomorrow. Since we are doing the revisions also, so we are going to do less questions.